Merry Christmas to everyone.
So, guys, we're gonna have Christmas vibe in here Tbilisi.
So we got finally our vacation for Christmas, and here we are to celebrate Christmas.
So we'll see how it is in Christmas in Tbilisi.
Yes. Now you
So
can
the
do it.
countdown starts. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Almazsan burada bir şey izle.
So here we are at the shops.
Thirdly, we lost.
Yeah, like in Christmas.
Last.
Marama last night.
Aki. Okay, size net.
Oh, I guess I snuggy. Marama last night. Hey Christmas.
පොඩි පොඩි shops තියෙනවා එක එක.
Oh, marama last night.
look Christmas ගහක් තියෙනවා.
ගොඩක් අද මිනිස්සු මම හිතන්නේ
Crowded.
ක්‍රිස්මස් වැකේෂන් අද ඒකේ ඉන්න හැමෝටම ඉතින්
Who's going to buy me a lollipop?
no one is gonna buy you a lollipop, girl. මේ තමයි තිබිලිසියේ ක්‍රිස්මස්. So much families here enjoying. චුටි ළමයි ගොඩ ආරියයි. අම්මලා මතක් කරනවා. දැන් අපි යන්නේ අපේ famous heart එක ළඟට photos ගන්න. Yes, Tbilisi loves you. Everything.
And this is merry-go-round is Janok is like favorite.
Yes, this is my childhood favorite. Oh my god, I used to go in
I
this.
think it's kids only actually.
Yeah, we are not kids anymore. So guys,
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon a fire. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for, all I want for, all I, baby, all I want for Christmas is you.
Wendy's තියෙනවා, popcorn තියෙනවා, McDonald's තියෙනවා,
Mumbai mithai diyena.
Mumbai මටයි තියෙනවා. මෙයා අරගෙනත් එනවා කියද්දි. කියද්දි Mumbai මටයි තියෙනවා. Yeah, drink first.
Okay, that's your check. And that's your check number.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay guys, at last we thought to eat from Wendy's and we so ordered something. I really don't know what we ordered because Janok is one of the person who ordered and now she's waiting in the queue and
Waiting for it.
finally here she comes. It's done. Come, let's go.